JCID N1 for A16 Nand restoring testing fixture. Built-in battery. Solve problems of insufficient power supply via USB and unstable flashing. Movable socket. Convenient to test motherboard and NAND. Wanted full function. Quickly entered full mode with single motherboard. Before flashing, prepare 1 for Pro or 14 PM regional power and volume wireless charging FPC. 14 Pro or 14 PM regional distance photosensitive FPC. And 14 Pro regional battery, because flashing requires verifying the chips of 3 accessories. After preparing the above FPC, buckle the 1 for Pro 14 PM flashing charge FPC on the restoring testing fixture. Open the back cover of the fixture and install the prepared 14 Pro battery. Fasten and tighten the back cover with screws. Separate the mobile phone motherboard and the NAND. Place the motherboard into the groove in the restoring testing fixture. Buckle the distance photosensitive FPC and the power and volume wireless charging FPC on the motherboard. Then buckle the 14 PM flash and charge FPC on the motherboard. Above are the corresponding positions on the motherboard. Buckle the NAND socket on the testing fixture. Put the NAND in the fixture by aligning the 1 pin. Connect the restoring testing fixture to computer with data cable. Open the flash software of the third party on computer. Click Go Flash. Below are 3 flashing methods. Choose one according to the actual situation. Click Flash. Confirm to flash. The system starts flashing. It shows that the flash has completed. If the motherboard is not trusted after booting so that it is not connected, you can use the forced full function. Click Forced Feed to enter full mode with 1 click. Note that to enter full mode, you need to jump a wire from the full solder joint on the flash and charge FPC to that on the motherboard. The third-party platform shows that it has entered full mode successfully.